I remember the days when spending 40,000 on a laptop did not get you much of a configuration. However, the time has progressed. There is a huge improvement on the technology, as well as due to extremely high competition, the price is also competitive. In a nutshell, you may expect a good deal by spending 40,000 for a laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk 2021. My name is Soumyajit. I am extremely happy to receive so much support from all of you, which gives me a lot of encouragement to make a new video for you. Like always, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. Also comment if you have any suggestion. If you are planning to buy a laptop and not sure what to buy, this video is definitely for you. Recently my wife has purchased a new laptop which is HP 15S GR0010AU. This is a brand new model from HP which was launched in the month of November 2020. The price which is written on the box is 44,000. However, we got it from Amazon for 39,980 rupees. If your preference is heavy work, video editing or gaming with minimum graphic settings, this is going to be the best buy for you for 40,000 rupees. I have another laptop which is Lenovo IdeaPad S45 which I bought couple of months ago for 27,000 from Amazon. If you want to have a look on it, you may click on the I button for that video. Amazon affiliated links for both laptops are there in the description below. If you use this link, I would get some amount of commission to run this channel. I have divided this video in 3 segments. First is unboxing, second would be installation of Windows, thirdly I would run you through the configuration of this laptop. Since I have 2 laptops now with Ryzen 3 and Ryzen 5, please comment and suggest me if I should make a separate video on performance test for both the laptops. Without any further ado, let's do the unboxing of the laptop.
And I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Type your email address or phone number. Let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
If I talk about the configuration of the laptop, the HP 15S is a nice looking jet black laptop which is powered by Ryzen 5 3450U processor, a chip adequately powerful to be found in the laptop for everyday use, even if it is heavy use. This quad-core processor chugs at 2.1 GHz, can go up to 3.5 GHz when hit with the load. Other than that, it has 8GB DDR4 RAM which can be upgraded up to 16GB, and it does not come with SSD, rather it has 1TB hard disk drive. In addition, the onboard graphic are the Vega 8 graphics, meaning is the system is potential to run light creative loads like Photoshop, Filmora, Adobe Premiere, or even doing some very light gaming at low settings, perhaps at 720p. It is important for me to tell you that 3.5 GB of RAM gets occupied just to run Windows 10. Therefore, if you are going for 1 TB hard disk drive, please do not go for 4 GB RAM. You would experience a huge lag. That is why I bought this laptop, because at least I would have 4.5 GB spare to do multitasking without any lag. Let's talk about the display. It has a 15.6 inch Full HD screen with anti-glare WLED panel which produces brightness up to 220 nits. It comes with full-size keypad with numpad. Mousepad comes with multi-touch gesture support, precision touchpad support. At the bottom of the laptop you would see rubber pad for the gripping purpose and the air vents. It has 2 speakers and fast charging battery with 6 to 7 hours of backup. At the top of the display panel, it has HP True Vision 720p HD camera with integrated dual array digital microphones. Let's talk about the ports. On its left hand side of the panel, it has LAN port, 1 super speed USB Type-C port, 1 HDMI port and 1 headphone jack. And at the right hand side it has a power socket, 2 USB ports and 1 multi-format SD media card reader. As we have seen in the video, it comes with Windows 10 Home Edition and Microsoft Office 2019. That's about it for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with someone who is planning to buy a new laptop. Thank you so very much. We will see you soon.